Are you frustrated by no sound in your favorite iPhone games? You're not alone. Let's dive into some simple solutions. First, make sure your device volume is turned up. Adjust the volume slider to a higher level. Next, check if your silent mode switch is set to off. This little switch makes a big difference. Have you connected to Bluetooth devices? Make sure they're not the source of the sound issue. Keeping your iOS up to date can resolve many problems. Check for any pending updates. Sometimes, apps can hold on to data that causes issues. Clear the cache and data for the games. If issues persist, reinstall the game app. It often fixes sound-related problems. As a last resort, consider resetting all settings. Don't worry, your data will stay intact. Check the game's in-game sound settings. Sometimes, they have individual controls you can adjust. By following these steps, you should be on your way to enjoying sound in your iPhone games again. Happy gaming!